So today we got all the car parts that I just ordered for the G. Right now it's gonna be a kind of fun day because, yeah, we don't have to do anything treacherous. We don't have to replace nothing. We're just gonna be adding parts, customizing. Speaking of which, ride is just pulled up, so time to get moving. All right, so here she is right now. We got the one orange lug nut, you know. Gonna have all that. She's a little bit dirty right now, but yeah, got the side skirt on. All of this right now. We're at the car wash. We're gonna give her get a nice wash, vacuum her out, and all this and that. And yeah, we'll be back. All right, so we made it back. Right now I'm working on the wheels. Pretty much just putting the new lug nuts on, valve cap, and yeah. I mean, it looks pretty nice. It's gonna look real nice when I have like the Nardo gray on there. I got her working on she's putting carbon fiber vinyl on the door panel thing on the G, make it look a little better just since it was like scratched up. It's done. Got all the rims done besides one because, yeah, this thing right here is stripped. So now I gotta have this bootleg one with like one missing lug nut. So out here finish the carbon fiber wrap on the little trim right here. We got the, I think these are Clemson floor mats, and then we got the steering wheel cover, little bootleg, like glass for a little patch, but it's fine. And yeah. All right, what's going on? What's up? So we're here right now. Got the G, and pretty much we got our louvers. Got her right now, wiping down the back window, and yeah, we're in louvers right now. I have not. Only thing I've done right now is just unbox it because I'm gonna make a separate video because I can't flip the cameras over. Right now, there's troll up there, right above us. So hopefully they don't care. Kind of want to gloss these out before I even like put them on my car. So yeah, we'll see. And there we go. All right, that's one, and there's about two more up there. So yeah. Okay, so to give y'all some context and some background information of what's going on right now, pretty much I got my louvers, they're matte black. I was like, well, I want to paint them glossy black, but at the time it was like, I think it was windy or something was going on that I couldn't paint outside at that moment. So I was like, well, where am I going to paint at? And I was like, okay, I'll just go over to parking garage at this place. And I was like, smart idea, right? So, you know, loaded up, got the paint cans, all my stuff, yeah. So as soon as I pulled my louvers out, whatever, big box, like, you know, we're just parked kind of weird. Three cops, two undercovers, one regular scorecard. They come up. We're chilling on the second floor. There's 3 stories. We're chilling on the second floor. They go up to the top floor, and yeah, honestly, I just thought like, you know, they're gonna say something like, "Oh, what are you guys doing? Like, you can't be up here doing that." Like, blah blah blah. But I mean, they don't care. So yeah. Anyway, back to the video. Pretty sure it goes like this. There we have it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. These are the louvers. Gotta make sure it's up far enough where like it's not like messing with my trunk. Yeah, it should be straight. Alright. So now we got it like all fitted right and it looks good and everything. So what we're gonna do is take this marker, Just go in, mark the points down, and yeah. All right, ran out of primer, but we got this gloss black, and so this is primer and paint, so whatever. Anyway, let's get to it. And this thing here, it's a lifesaver. This gun is the best. So we gotta paint it. It looks better than what it did. Right now we're just gonna go in right now and just mark it with this marker so I get my points accurate. And yeah, again, shout out to I forgot his name, but I'll definitely drop it in video. All right, so after about hour or so just messing around with this, we finally got it on. It's tight, sturdy. Had to use some super glue here and there, but it's on. Looks nice. Getting a little bit closer towards the paint job. Yo, what's good? You already know what the deal is when you see this emblem right here. This is the end of the video right now. I appreciate you guys for staying and watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed me installing the louvers, dodging the cops, doing this, and that. So if you got anything you want to see me do, please leave a comment, let me know, message me. I know you guys want to see more than just me like customizing the G on the exterior and interior. I know you guys want to see like me under the hood more, so I'm going to try to work and get that type of content to you. But for right now, I'm just chilling. So yeah, I think that's about it. Rate, comment, subscribe, and see you guys later.